Okay, today, thanks for joining us. We're going to go ahead and demonstrate an application for the iPad that will be soon released, coming out for the communitycalendars.org project. In particular, we're going to be looking at the community calendar for Peterborough, in this case peterborough.communitycalendars.org. Before we start off, the app itself draws RSS feeds from the peterborough.communitycalendars.org website. And so first off, I'll just go ahead and show you where those RSS feeds are coming from. So what we're looking at now is the community calendars for Peterborough. You can see across the top here we've got peterborough.communitycalendars.org. And where the RSS feeds are drawing from, underneath this by date section here, you can see we've got today, 3-day view, this week, this month, and we can also specify a date. And so what we've done is we've pulled the RSS feeds from these menus and put them into an application that can be used on this particular iPad. So I return now and go ahead and open up the application itself. You can see this exactly reflected here on the left hand pane. So at the top we've got today, tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, this week, and this month. If I go ahead and just select tomorrow as an example, you'll see that it's going to go ahead and refresh here for events listed on tomorrow's date of the community calendar. In this case, if I then go ahead and choose one of these events, you can see the right hand side of the application here is going to reload with that particular event. After loading is complete, we can scroll up and down and have a look at the event itself. We can also view this in portrait mode. And when we do so, you'll notice that the left hand pane there drops off, but we can get it back quite easily by going ahead and just clicking RSS feeds. RSS lists in this case. Once we've got our pop-up here, we can go ahead and browse the different events. And you can see that we've got a loading bar here on the side. And just by clicking back on the page here, we can go ahead and view it as well. So I'll show you that another one event here. Beyond that, we can also set a bookmark using this icon on the top. Go ahead and click that, which says bookmark has been added. And if we want to review our bookmarks, we can actually come into this bookmark manage folder here and go ahead and see what bookmarks we have. You can also edit the bookmarks that you currently have saved, all within this folder. You can also navigate to the actual particular event from this page. And you can see here it just loads back up in the default calendar mode. We'll switch back to landscape mode here for a second. So we've got two more buttons here. This envelope here represents sending an email to your friend. You can see in this case we've got the two sections, CC, BCC, the actual event itself, which can be emailed to, say, a friend that you're wanting to invite to this particular event. And last but not least, we have this last icon here, which just takes us back to the home page for this app. So that's today's demo for the peterborough.communitycalendars.org application. Hopefully we'll be publishing it in the iTunes store sometime soon, and it'll be available for your iPad app.